In a bizarre twist of events that has sparked both outrage and laughter across Zimbabwe and South Africa, President Emmerson Mnangagwa has found himself at the center of a mockery following his enthusiastic endorsement of a so-called invention that turned out to be nothing more than an imported car from China. Sana vina mashoko atina kuti aiwa motokari aiwa yakauya pastate house dzakauya pastate house aiwa pari kuzirodziya dzochinzi hakuna invention yakadaro, mota dzangu kutorwa direct from China kubva vauya vakomana kubva yachiratidza mutungamiri wenyika. Sana vina mashoko abuda panapa tuna mutungamiri wenyika Zimbabwe achisekewa ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzimu ai muranyura chite the mastermind behind this elaborate rules is none other than Maxwell Sankulani Chikumbutso, a Zimbabwean entrepreneur who successfully passed off a foreign vehicle as his own innovation, leaving many questions questioning the integrity of both the inventor and the president. The incident unfolded during a high-profile event in the State House, where Chikumbutso proudly unveiled his creation, a vehicle that he claimed to have engineered himself. To the astonishment of attendees, including Mnangagwa, the car showcased modern features and sleek design, leading the president to lavish praise on the supposed inventor. This represents our nation's potential and ingenuity. We must support our local innovators, Mnangagwa proclaimed, seemingly obviously to the truth behind the vehicle's origins. However, social media users and skeptical citizens quickly began to unravel the deception. Investigative efforts revealed that the car was in fact imported direct from Chinese manufacturer, complete with the documentation that traced its journey from overseas to Zimbabwe. The revelation sent shockwaves through the nation, igniting a flurry of memes and satirical commentary aimed at both Chikumbutso and the president. Ndo mashoko atikuona kuti aiwa pasocial media aiwa kwangoseka kuga vatino kuti vanobudisa evidence vachiti aiwa this motor vehicle yakango imported direct from China uye vakomana vazoro vakaigadzira ava. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi penda comment section medu, subscribe or like, not on the bell.